How to check if your WhatsApp is linked to another device. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check if your WhatsApp account is linked to another device. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app with your account. After you open WhatsApp, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on Settings. From Settings, you can simply get the option for Link Devices. Simply tap on that. Now from here, you will be able to find all of the devices that are linked to your WhatsApp account under the section Link Devices. Like in my case, I have linked my laptop, so it is showing Windows Laptop. Simply you can, as usual, find it and you can log out it from here. Simply tap on that and you can choose logout option from here. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.